Mula sa isang fan na si Tokyo, narito ang kanyang naging panawagan sa kapwa 18. Aniya, after Billboard rule change, we need to stream harder this time. Do not let the digital purchasing team do all the job. To chart on BB and to maintain a spot on BB, there's no option other than streaming. We need 18 from every single country to stream SB19 music. Grabe, ganyan talaga sila ka-active. Samantala, throwback muna nga po tayo. Nakakatuwa nga ang nasabi nga pong TM Mudrush Crush ng SB19. Well, magsimula tayo kay Pinunong Pablo. Name, Pablo. Birthday, September 14. Virgo, describe yourself. Simple. What is love? Love or to love is an involuntary creation of an extension of one's own life. Grabe, napakalalim naman nun. Ideal date with crush, we will both prepare food tapos magsaset lang ng table or kahit picnic cloths sa labas, peaceful place, mas maganda kung gabi tapos kakain kami magkukwentuhan about our thoughts, titingin ng mga stars at moon, magiging vulnerable sa isa't isa. How about Stel? Of course, name Stel, birthday June 16. Zodiac sign, Gemini, describe yourself. I'm funny. What is love? Love is for everyone. Ideal date with crush, house dinner date, and movie marathon. Ano naman kaya ang kay Josh? Birthday October 2022, Libra. Describe yourself. I see the world in a different way. What is love? Love is accepting people for who they are, what their past is, what they are, no matter what. It's all about understanding each other, perspective. There are no right or wrongs. The both of you should help each other grow. Ideal date with crush, it doesn't have to be the best as long as the connection is there. Noon pa talaga ay napaka few words talaga itong si Ken. Of course, birthday January 12, Capricorn. Describe yourself. I'm like an ocean. What is love? Love is happiness, pain, sacrifice. Ideal date with crush, travel around different countries. Mukhang kinakailangan talaga nitong si Ken ay mag-impok ng husto dahil sa kanya nga pong travel around the world's date. Anyway, kay Bunso, Justine, July 7, Cancer. Describe yourself. I'm a person of imagination. What is love? Love is for everyone. Ideal date with crush, tea house date on top of a mountain with gloomy weather, drinking tea and negativity is not allowed. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.